So recently I started to notice some black moles that are forming around our shower wall. So I'm on a mission this week to find a natural solution how to get rid of these black mold naturally out of our shower. So in this video, I'm testing 4 household ingredients that are widely recommended for getting rid of mold naturally from showers. So the question here is, are these ingredients effective in removing mold as claimed? So let's get into this video to find out the answer. But before we get into preparing and applying the 4 products, allow me to welcome you if you're here for the first time. On this channel, I post content each week on deep cleaning, organization, and DIY cleaning recipes. The channel's goal this month is to reach 500 subscribers. So if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. Now to continue with the experiment. This is 1 cup of baking soda to 1 cup of distilled water. I'm going to apply it in this section here, and then here I have 1 cup of vinegar to 1 cup of distilled water. I'm going to use it to I've marked from all the way through here, apply it here to try to get rid of this black mold on this side. And then on this side, I have prepared 1 cup of distilled water to 20 drops of tea tree essential oil. I'm going to use that to try to get rid of the mold on this section. Here, on this last corner here, I'm going to use this. So here I've measured 1 cup of peroxide. I haven't mixed it or anything, so I'm just going to use straight to try to get rid of the mold on this side here. So this is how I went ahead to divide the shower wall into 4 sections. So to apply this mixture around that area, take this paper towel twist them, and what I'm going to use is that I'm going to place them all around like that. So when I spray, it sort of absorb the product. What I've read, apparently tea tree mixture is probably the best natural product that is out there that do get rid of black mold. So it's good that we are putting this into test and see if that claim is correct. Okay, so this is now the bottom. So I've applied here the baking soda until that corner, then here vinegar until this place here, and then from here I've applied the tea tree essential oil spray, and then the last one here is the hydroperoxide. I'm going to leave it overnight. Now it's actually 1 AM. Guys, this is how passionate I am about these videos that I make. So yeah, I'm going to let it stay overnight and then come and check tomorrow and see which product have completely gotten rid of the black spot that we were targeting. So this is next morning. Now is 7:48, almost 8. So I would say the products have stayed in place for almost 7 to 8 hours. So this is the hydroperoxide side. Okay. So let me just go ahead and remove all the paper towel around the areas, and then I'll tell you my observation which product worked better than the rest. So here is the baking soda side. Next one is where I put vinegar, and here is where I applied the tea tree essential oil, and then the last one is where I apply the hydroperoxide. My observation here, I'm leaning toward the baking soda. So what I'm noticing at the baking soda section is that the plate is looking much cleaner and whiter because of baking soda. Disinfectant has the bleaching effect. So to further confirm this observation, I went ahead again and applied baking soda all over the areas and let it sit for another 8 hours. My second observation here is that I saw another change where I saw some black residue on the brush that I was using and also on the paper towel that I was using to try to clean the area. Also, when I was rinsing the area, I also saw some black tiny pieces that were running with the water. So definitely that did indicate that yes, baking soda did actually remove or clean out some of the black mold residue. Based on my observation, the tea tree, vinegar and hydroperoxide did not make any changes that I noticed. However, the baking soda did work slightly on removing some of the mold, but not entirely. So back to you. Have you tried any of these products before to remove black mold? Did it work for you or did it not? Let us know in the description box below. Sharing information is caring, so we'd like to find out from you what was your experience. So if you're interested in this, come back in my next video where I'll be talking about what are the root causes and how can we prevent this mold from coming back, and also test the bleach hack if it does work or not. Otherwise, I'll see you back in my next video. Bye bye for now. Bye.